Hi! In front of me is TCL 408, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. First of all, go into Settings. Then scroll down just a bit to access Connections. Now you need to scroll down again, tap on Printing, and tap on Default Print Service. Then wait. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. If you wish to use different print service, you need to remember to disable this one first by clicking on this switcher. Then go back, tap on Add Service and install the best one for you. In my case, HP one. When your new service app is ready, tap on the back button twice. Then click on it and wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!